Hello Year 8 and welcome to today's lesson. Your first task is to complete the retrieval questions which are displayed on the board. Number 1. Where is a Cockney accent from? Number 2. What letter do you not pronounce in the middle of words in a Cockney accent? Number 3. What words that end in ER are replaced with what sounds? Again, this is talking about a Cockney accent. Number 4. What is used instead of TH sound in a Cockney accent? Your teacher will pause the video here for you to think about the answers and complete the questions on your own sheet. Here are the answers. Number 1, where is a Cockney accent from? The answer is East End. Number 2, what letter do you not pronounce in the middle of words? The answer is T. Number 3, words that end in ER are replaced with a R sound. Number 4, what is used instead of TH? And the answer is F. Please make sure that you have the correct answers written down on your sheet before sticking this in your book. What and why? What? Today you're exploring different stimuli using different dictions, pace and pause. You're going to learn the difference between enunciation and pronunciation. Why? To become more aware of how you should speak in an informal, formal setting or when you are playing high status and low status characters. Vocal diction. Vocal diction is how you express yourself using enunciation and pronunciation. Enunciation is how clearly you pronounce your words, and pronunciation is the way in which a word is spoken, for example, with an accent or character voice. Please write your own definition for vocal diction, including what the difference is between enunciation and pronunciation in your own words in your books. Your teacher will pause the video here. Vocal diction task. Look at the example of text on the board. I'm now going to deliver these lines of dialogue without thinking about how I'm pronouncing my words. Alright, how's it going? I'm okay, thanks. How are you? What have you been up to, Em? Not much. How about you? I've been down to town. Did you go to the shops? Nah, I just went for a walk. If you notice, I'm not pronouncing every letter in every word. In pairs, practice saying the following lines in your usual voice. Your teacher will pause the video here. Now have a go at delivering the lines of dialogue using clear diction. Here is an example. All right, how's it going? I'm okay, thanks. How are you? What have you been up to then? Not much. How about you? I've been down the town. Did you go to the shops? No, I just went for a walk. Pair up with another pair and practice using good diction. When you are listening to the other performers, think about, are they speaking clearly? Are they using an accent? What letters of the words are missing? Do any of the letters or sounds stand out? Your teacher will pause the video here. We're now going to have a few examples, and as an audience you are thinking about what words stand out, what letters stand out, what letters are missing. Your teacher will pause the video here. Pace. This is how fast or slow you speak. Different characters and different situations calls for a performer to speak using different speeds. For example, someone who is very excited may speak very quickly, and someone who is tired may speak very slowly. And someone who is of a high status may speak slowly as they are important and therefore don't have to rush what they are saying as the role demands people's attention, whereas someone who has a low status may speak quickly for fear that someone might interrupt them or get bored and stop listening. Ever notice that the Queen speaks slowly? Task. In pairs, create a short scene where someone is telling their friend that they've won the lottery. The friend at first doesn't believe them, but when they are shown proof, they are too excited. What pace would your characters use? Would this change throughout the scene? Why? Try to add tone to your voice to show your character is feeling excited or perhaps shocked, etc. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to rehearse. Performance and evaluation. You are now going to watch your peers perform. Whilst you are watching, you are thinking about the use of pace. You are going to analyse when the characters speak quickly and when the characters speak slowly, and explain your reasons why they are doing this. Your teacher will pause the video here. Pause. Pause can be used for a number of reasons. It's used for dramatic impact. It can show the audience that a character is in disbelief or show surprise. It could show that a character is thinking about what to say next, or a character is confused. The lack of pause shows that a situation is happening at a fast pace and can be used to create panic or excitement. Now go back over your scene and add pause. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to rehearse. Performance and evaluation. You will watch your peers perform, and whilst they are doing this, you are thinking about how effective pause is used. You must be thinking of how the characters are using pause and explain why you think this is happening. Your teacher will pause the video here. Differentiation and challenge. Now that you've had a few moments to rehearse your piece, you may wish to include a thought track. Use an accent. Use emphasis by putting a special focus on particular words or phrases in a sentence. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to continue rehearsing. Plenary. What is diction? Why do we use different paces in our speech? And what impact does pause have? Have a think about it, and then raise your hands to share your ideas with the class. Your teacher will pause the video here. I hope you've enjoyed learning about diction, pace and pause. I will see you next time. Goodbye.